Hello, and welcome to Monty's Wonder Kitchen. This week was a hectic one, and when I want an easy meal, my go-to is chili. It's my daughter's favorite and easy to make after work on a weekday. To make my weeknight chili, you won't need much, but you will need a large pot, spoons, bowls, 1,000 grams of ground beef, 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, pickled jalapenos, 1 green pepper, 14 ounces of crushed tomato, 14 ounces of kidney beans, 14 ounces of diced tomato, 16 ounces of beef broth, 12 ounces of beer, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, salt and pepper, and for spices, you will need 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a half a teaspoon of chipotle powder or cayenne pepper, depending on what taste you like. First step is to do your prep work. Dice your onion, green pepper, and jalapenos, plain or crush your garlic, then hand mix your ground meat or substitute with your spices using only half the chili powder. Then add the protein spice mix, onions, garlic, jalapenos, tomato paste, and half the green pepper to a pot on medium heat. Cook everything until the meat is browned and the onions are translucent. Drain the excess fat and add everything else. Bring it to a boil, and then simmer for at least 1 hour until the desired thickness. Serve with hot sauce, cheese, sour cream, green onions, cilantro, or any combination alongside more beer. Everyone has a chili recipe, and this is an easy one. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week on Monty's Wonder Kitchen. Thanks.